Bourbon and Guns. We're over here at the gun range. We're going to shoot this Sig Sauer AR10. It's the patrol model. It's in 308 Winchester, okay? It's an AR10. And we're shooting it with a Holosun 3X magnifier, Holosun red dot. Great little setup on this pretty good sized caliber rifle, right? And a nice Sig AR platform. So let's go ahead and we're gonna put a hurting on some plates. Go ahead. That's a big caliber, fun to shoot.
Sorry about your plates. Let's see if I can get on the swing.
We're trying to keep the swing there. All right, weapons clear. All right, we're clear. Pull back and lock it back if you would. So, beautiful rifle. Nice Holosun setup on it. It's the Sig Sauer Patrol Model AR10. Great rifle for shooting. My son uses this for hog hunting, deer, whatever. Just a good all-around caliber, good all-around weapon. It's a great day to be alive. Bourbon tastes like a warm summer day.